Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 11th maths chapter 4, principle of mathematical induction. Today we will see the introduction with example about principle of mathematical induction. Students, before starting today video lesson, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Right students, so first of all see the basic concepts about mathematical induction is a technique of proving a statement, theorem or formula which thought to be true, right, for each and every natural number n. By generalizing this in form of a principle which we would use to prove any mathematical statement is a principle of mathematical induction. इट मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स कोई भी थियरम हो, कोई भी फार्मूला हो, उसको हम ऑलरेडी ट्रू है वो फार्मूला और उस फार्मूला को ट्रू प्रूफ करने के लिए वी यूज़ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैथमेटिकल इंडक्शन. सो देयर आर बेसिक स्टेप्स हैं उसके प्रूफ करने के भी कोई भी फार्मूला या कोई भी थियरम्स को. सो द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैथमेटिकल इंडक्शन एंड सॉल्यूशन एंड प्रूफ कंसीडर अ स्टेटमेंट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो भी स्टेटमेंट दिया है उसको कंसीडर करो पी ऑफ एन के फॉर्म में, वेयर एन इज़ नेचुरल नंबर. अगर स्टेटमेंट्स एन के फॉर्म में तो एन के फॉर्म में आपको कंसीडर करना है. देन टू डिटरमाइन वैलिडिटी ऑफ पी ऑफ एन, और जो फॉर्मूला है या थियरम है वो वैलिडिटी है फॉर एवरी नेचुरल नंबर. यूज़ द फॉलोइंग प्रिंसिपल. तो हमको क्या क्या स्टेप्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेप, चेक वेदर द गिवन स्टेटमेंट इज़ ट्रू फॉर n इज़ इक्वल टू 1. आप n इज़ इक्वल टू 1 पुट करके देखो, या फर्स्ट टर्म्स दोनों साइड LHS एंड RHS साइड इक्वल होना चाहिए. सेकेंड स्टेप्स, अज्यूम दैट द गिवन स्टेटमेंट p ऑफ n इज़ ट्रू फॉर n इज़ इक्वल टू k. और जो आपने स्टेटमेंट कंसिडर किया है वो आपको अज्यूम्ड ही ऑलरेडी कर लेना है कि n इज़ इक्वल टू k के लिए स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है, वेयर k इज़ एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. स्टेप 3, प्रूव द रिजल्ट इज़ ट्रू फॉर p ऑफ k प्लस 1 फॉर एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. देन हम प्रूफ करेंगे कि p ऑफ k के लिए जो रिज़ल्ट दिया है वो ट्रू है. इफ़ द एबो मेंशन कंडीशन आर सेटिस्फाइड, अगर ये तीनों कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड हो जाती हैं, देन इट कैन बी कंक्लूडेड दैट, हम कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं p ऑफ n इज़ ट्रू फॉर ऑल नेचुरल नंबर. राइट स्टूडेंट्स. सो कोई भी स्टेटमेंट हो, कोई भी फार्मूला हो, कोई भी थियरम हो, ऑलरेडी वो ट्रू होता है और उसको ट्रू है, इस वैलिड है, ट्रू जो चीज़ है वो वैलिडिटी है, इसको प्रूफ करने के लिए हम प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैथमेटिकल इंडक्शन का यूज़ करते हैं. सो लेट अस सी विथ एग्जांपल. सो हियर इज़ द क्वेश्चन, प्रूव द फॉलोइंग यूजिंग द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैथमेटिकल इंडक्शन. यहाँ मैं स्टेटमेंट राइट करता हूँ और हम उसको प्रूफ करेंगे कि ये व्हाट इज़ वैलिड है, राइट, या ट्रू है फॉर ऑल. सो हियर इज़ बीन द क्वेश्चन, 1 + 3 + 3 स्क्वायर प्लस डैश 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 3 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2. Okay student. So first of all, writing this statement in the form of p of n. So let us consider p of n is equal to 1 + 3 + 3 square plus dash 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 plus 3 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2. Right students. So first of all we will prove for n is equal to 1 it is true. So for n is equal to 1, so p of 1 putting over here in 3 to the power n minus 1 we are getting 1, right, and on RHS side p of 1 is equal to 3 to the power 1 minus 1 divided by 2. Here we can write what p of k is equal to, means LHS is equal to 3 plus 3 square plus that is plus 3 to the power k minus 1 is clear that the statement is true for n is equal to 3 to the power k. Now minus we can 1 write p of 1 is right student true. Now so let us consider for n is equal to k plus 1. This statement is already so we will true for n is equal to right k. Students, so p of k plus 1 will be what? 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus z plus 3k true plus for 1 n is equal and to 3k minus k. 1 right students 3k. So p of k and is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 2 minus square 1 plus divided as 3 right, is to the power k minus right student 1 is equal to 3 is to the power k minus 1 divided by 2. Okay student, so consider this is equation 1. Now for n is equal to k plus 1 we will prove that this statement is true. So for p of k means n of in place of n we will write what? K plus 1. So we are getting 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus divided as 3 is to the power k minus 1 and 3k. Okay student, so 3k minus 1 divided by 2 plus 3k, because in place of 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus divided as plus 3 is to the power k minus 1 we are writing 3k minus 1 divided by 2. So by simplifying, by taking the LCM we are getting 3 is to the power k minus 1 plus 2 into 3 is to the 3 is to the power k divided by 2. So after simplifying over here we are getting 3 into 3 is to the power k minus 1 divided by 2. Right student? So these things can be written as 3 is to the power k plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2. Okay student, so for p of k plus 1 is true, the statement is what? True. Okay, so here we can write the statement p of k is true for p of k is true, therefore p of k plus 1 is true. Okay, so p here hence by principle of mathematical induction we can say that the given statement is true for all small n belongs to capital N. Okay student, now moving to the next question. The question is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus data dash plus n into n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3. So first of all, considering let up p of n is equal to 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 up to data dash n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 n plus 2 divided by 3, right? So for n is equal to true, so p of 1 is equal to, we are getting 1 into 1, here we can put the value of n over here, so we are getting 1 in the bracket 1 plus 1, and on the RHS side we are putting 1, so we are getting 2 and 2 both side, right students? So p of 1 is true, so let us consider p of n is true for n is equal to k. Okay, this is already true. So p of k, so 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 up to k plus 1 is equal to k plus 1 k plus 2 divided by 3, right student? This is suppose result 1. Now we will prove that for n is equal to k the statement is true. So p of k plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 up to k plus 1, here will be k plus 1, right students? We will write the backward the terms, previous term of k plus 1, so k plus 1, and here will be k plus wait up to here k plus 1, and after that we will write k plus, in place of k we will write k plus 1, and here will be k plus 2. So in place of k we are writing k plus 1 over here, so we are getting what? In place of these terms we can write what? K plus 1, k plus 2 divide by 3, and remaining term is what? K plus 1 and k plus 2, right? Because it is already true for n is equal to k, right students? So here we are writing k plus 1 and k plus 2. Now doing the cross multiplication, or we can take the common. K plus 1 and k plus 2 is common term, k plus 1 and k plus 2 is common term, so remaining term k by 3 plus 1. So by simplifying these things we are getting k plus 1, k plus 2 and k plus 3 divided by 3, right students? So from above statements, if you are putting n is equal to k plus 1, you will get what? K plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 divided by 3. Thus we can say that p of k plus 1 is true, thus p of k is true, which implies that p of k plus 1 is also true. Thus p of n is true for all n belongs to capital N. Now let us see the final questions of today video lesson. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 square plus dash plus n into 2 is to the power n is equal to n minus 1, 2 is to the power n plus 1 plus 2. So let us see the solution. So first of all, writing this statement in the term of p of n. So p of n is equal to 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 cube plus dash plus n into 2 is to the power n is equal to n minus 1 into 2 is to the power n plus 1 plus 2, right? For considering the statement is true for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, so writing p of 1 over here, so we are getting 1 into 2 is to the power 1, and on the RHS side 1 minus 1, 2 is to the power 1 plus 1 plus 2, right? Plus 2. So finally we are getting 2 and 2 both side, means in LHS and RHS side we are getting 2 and 2. So this statement is true for n is equal to 1. So p of 1 is true, right? Let us consider the statement is true for n is equal to k. So p of n be true for n is equal to k. So in place of n we are writing k over here. So p of k 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 cube plus dash plus k into 2 is to the power k is equal to k minus 1 into 2 is to the power k plus 1 plus 2, right? Now on the basis of this result we will prove this statement is true for k plus 1. So in place of n we will writing k plus 1. So p of k plus 1, so 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 cube, 3 into 2 cube plus dash k into 2 is to the power k, and we are consider over for k plus 1, so succeeding term will be k plus 1 into 2 is to the power k plus 1, right? So in place of k we can write k plus 1. So k plus 1 minus 1 into 2 is to the power k plus 1 plus 1, this is term of RHS, plus 2. So here we can write k into 2 is to the power k plus 2 plus 2, right student? So k we can simplify these things. So like k minus 1, 2 is to the power k plus 1 plus 2 plus k plus 1, 2 is to the power k plus 1, right? So by simplifying these things we are getting 2 is to the power k plus 1 is common, so k minus 1 plus k plus 1 plus 2, so minus 1 will be cancelled, so we are getting 2k plus 1, here will be 2k plus 2. So finally we are getting what? K into 2 is to the power k plus 2 plus 2. Okay students, is it clear? we are getting LHS is equal to RHS. So P of K is true if N is equal to K is true, right students? Is it clear? For N is equal to K is true, then we can prove N is equal to K plus 1 is true for the given statement. The next one, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus into 1 plus 1 by 2 plus into 1 plus 1 by 3 up to that is 1 plus 1 by n is equal to n plus 1. So first of all, writing the statement in the form of P of n, 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3 up to 1 plus 1 by n is equal to n plus 1. Now we will prove for n is equal to 1 that this statement is true. So P of 1, so we are getting 1 plus 1 by 1 is equal to 1 plus 1. So on the both side we are getting 2 and 2, means LHS is equal to RHS. This statement is true for n is equal to 1. So P of 1 is true. Now let us consider P of n is true for n is equal to K, right? So n in place of n we are writing K. So P of K, 1 plus 1 1 by 1, 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3 up to 1 plus 1 by K is equal to K plus 1. This is suppose result 1, right? Now for n is equal to K plus 1, we will prove the statement is true. So P of K plus 1, so 1 plus 1 by 1, 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 by 3 up to 1 plus 1 upon K plus 1, right, is equal to K plus 1 plus 1 means K plus 2. So up to the here we can write K plus 1, right? So K plus 1 and remaining term is 1 plus K plus 1. So simplifying these things we are getting K plus 1 into K plus 1 by K plus 1. K plus 1 cancel, so we are getting K plus 2. So this is equal to RHS. So P of K plus 1 is true. Thus P of K is true for K plus 1 is true. Students, here we are completing today's video lesson. Thank you so much for watching this video.